lot of people are not priced out. We're going to talk about the lie that keeps buyers on the sidelines. Most buyers are stuck because they believe outdated garbage. All right. You need 20% to buy a home because there are more people sitting on the sidelines right now paying a rent they hate in a house they've outgrown because they think the need to have some giant Scrooge McDuck vault full of cash to get you started on the DuckTales.
And that's just not the reality for most buyers.
Not even close. FHA loans they can start as low as 3.5% down. Conventional loans can be 3 to 5% down. VA and USDA loans can offer 0% down for qualified buyers. So no, you do not automatically need 20% now. What is one thing that you would like to do on a conventional loan, or not so much FHA, but that PMI insurance is a big thing.
Right. You want 20% down, so you don't have to pay the PMI insurance.
But sometimes you can still put your 3.5% down, pay your PMI insurance until 20% of the loan to value is paid off.
Right.
And then you can have PMI removed. But we have to be cautious of it because that's a lot of cases right now. FHA is keeping PMI in static for 30 years.
What do you mean in static?
Take it off. And you just got to make sure that you pay attention to that.
Well, I didn't know that right away.
Well, on average, PMI insurance is only going to run you anywhere between $160 to $180 extra a month on your house payment. So if there's a way to alleviate that,
right,
and you do have the cash to do that,
highly recommend it.
Highly recommend it. But if you don't, $180 a month is what?
Well, if you look over the long term, it's what 180 is what $1,800.
Yeah,
a year.
And I think too, like a lot of people hear one thing from like a family member when they're doing it, uncles, crazy uncles or aunts. One thing from like social media, random TikTok people that are in the business. I think that just makes people assume that they can't buy.
It does.
Yeah, and everybody's got advice until it's time to sign the paperwork.
Well, that's exactly right, because that's the first point of this episode. It really is. A lot of people are not priced out. They're just misinformed.